Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project and configuring capture settings so every frame is consistent. Set resolution and 24 FPS to match your desired motion smoothness. Lower FPS yields choppier motion. Once done, pick the camera and enable the grid to align elements. Make sure exposure and white balance are locked to avoid flicker. You'll also choose an aspect ratio and name the project now so files stay organized as you proceed. Now you focus on capturing and shaping motion. You'll use onion skinning to see previous frames. Adjust opacity until it's helpful but not distracting, because that visual guide is how you keep consistent movement. Capture manually for puppet animation or enable intervalometer when a steady incremental shift is required. Once you have frames, trim unwanted frames, duplicate for held poses, and tweak playback speed to finesse timing. Make sure to scrub the timeline frequently so you catch jarring jumps early. Finish by applying color correction and adding audio, titles, and transitions to give your film polish. You export to MP4 for sharing, GIF for short loops, or an image sequence for further editing. Pick a bitrate appropriate for your platform. If you encounter flicker or inconsistent brightness, try exposure ramp, shoot RAW if supported, or run the built-in deflicker tool. If playback stutters, recheck frame rate and resample to match your timeline. These steps prevent common export issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.